shuts just fine. We've got some parts ordered for Winston, so in the meantime, I thought I would introduce you to my daily driver. This is the Assassin. It's a Scarlett Johansson, an assassin with a sexy booty. It's a 2013 CTS-V coupe by Cadillac. It has a 6.2-liter supercharged LS V8, cleverly hidden behind lots of plastic. You see, my daytime job is I run warehouses, and I have to lead by example and make sure that I'm on time every day. Sometimes I have to inspect these warehouses for cleanliness. I mean, these warehouses are big. I have to get from one end to the other. I have to make sure I look all around. And when I'm done, I gotta hurry up and go to the next one. This car has a ton of features. This is a neat party trick. And back down. It has 2 extra cup holders and a padded area for your pets.
Get in there, Jonesy. There you go. I mean, it's clearly not made for people.
I'm especially fond of this hold my beer button. It has a really neat bat wing, which is also great for evacuating flying insects. Shoe fly. I mean, look at all this trunk space. I for sure can get my golf bag in there. Come on, man, I got a 1 o'clock tea time. It's really good at perfectly safe and legal 3-point turns when you need to make them. Oh, man, I forgot my wallet. But I think perhaps my most favorite feature of all is the built-in mosquito sprayer. But there is one thing about the Assassin here that's absolutely rubbing my last nerve. Let me show you. You see these fantastic graphite colored wheels? Yeah, not really graphite. These brake pads are terrible with the dust. So what we're going to do today is see about getting this cleaned up, put some different pads on. Wheel chocks for safety. Mostly because my driveway is on the side of a mountain. Well, now we got to figure out where we jack this thing up. Can I even get a jack under here? Let's see what we got. Oh, maybe right there. Oh, it won't fit. Look at that. Splendid. There's probably some kind of jack point under here, right? Well, I don't know. I can't get it under there either. There we go. More than one way to skin a cat. All right, there we go. Senor, you're coming off or else. Okay. You're about to see a miracle. Got this McGuire's stuff. I'm just gonna soak it down. Let's get the inside too. Look, it's turning purple. That color wheel actually looks pretty cool. We're just gonna let this bake for a while, like a nice cake. Well, you can see it turning all kinds of different colors. Boy, this stuff is pretty slick, huh? I like this. It's magic. but it smells like the devil. Oh, what a terrible odor. What we're waiting for here is the purple to turn, or whatever, like a grayish black. Okay, let's see what we get. It's like a Christmas miracle. James is going to finish this up while we go work on brakes. These brake pads are ridiculous. First thing we got to do is knock out these pins. Get out, Mr. Pin. Come on, you can do it. I got faith in you. There you go. I don't know what size that is. Some kind of metric. Let's see, is it 13? It sure is. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, crazy bolts out. Now I need to spread these out a little bit. You can buy those fancy brake spreader thingies. And so I did. Here's mine here. See? Works just fine. Now we should be able just to slide these out. Look, there's plenty of pad left. How can that be? It's all over the car. Brembo. Does that mean they're original? Car's got 30,000 miles on it. I don't know, but we're going to clean all this up now. Got these Power Stop Extreme Z26 carbon fiber ceramic. Look at there, low dust formula. And they've been thermal scorched. Yeah, I realize ceramic pads don't stop as well, but this has to stop. Oh, we got new thingies. That's cool. We got to put a little bit of this grease back here. Just, you know, dab a little on here. I'm just kind of putting it where the pistons are. Okay. Slide that in. I said we'll slide that in. We're going to slide it in. Nope. Yeah, see? I just slid it right in there. This one goes here. Get in there. We're going to clean up this crazy bolt a little bit. Just a little bit of grease on here. And we'll get that in. Put our bolt back in. A little bit of grease on the pins. I'll put this bottom one in first. Alright, now we'll put this joker on here. We just got to make sure that the pin goes over top of that. doohickey. There we go. Okay. Get on there, sir. There we go. Nut. Lug nut. That's Mr. Nut to you. On a lot of cars, you can just do the German torque, good and tight. But on the Assassin, you better give it everything it's asking for, which is 140 foot-pounds. Before, after. All right, now we just got to get the other three, clean the car up. We got to soak her down. Get her soaked. There was a time I really enjoyed washing a car. And then for some reason, I started buying them all in black. Now everything I own is black. Black, black, black. I mean, if you're going to get the glass, get all of the glass. Dang it. Boy, this makes for good television, doesn't it? Watching a guy wash his Cadillac. Enthralling TV. Well, just pretend that I'm Jessica Simpson and this is the General Lee. That should help. For real though, the suspense is killing you, yes. My sprayer broke this morning, so I'm having to do this the way they did when Carter was in office. Turn the water off so the water saver knuckleheads don't come after me. Alright, let's get her wiped down here. Why are you using 3 microfibers? That's 3 times the absorbency, man. I like this tire stuff. Makes it look like I worked really hard on it. Of course, if you're not careful, it'll get on the flat spot and send you into a school bus. I'll get it detailed in the spring, but I think for now, it's ready to go back to doing what it does best. Missed a spot. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I got an old truck to work on. And we'll have that content real soon for you. In the meantime, get off the couch, go wrench on something. Why does this list keep growing?